All right, I'm gonna go for a swim. He's too chicken to go for a swim. An old man's too chicken to go for a swim on his birthday. I'm gonna go for a swim. It ain't even that bad. Y'all are pansies. It's like 55, 60? Ow, ow, sharp rock. I thought that was a flat spot. That is not a flat spot. Ow. Yeah, wild Scotty going for a
long time, but we finally found it again.
Oh, you're such a dick. Ow. 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 Son of... Ow. Oh, that's squishy. Found the squish. Found the squish zone. Ow. Son of a... I hate both of you so much. Come on, let's go. Ow. Son of a bitch. Swim me, swim me, swim me. Swim me, swim me. What? Swim me, swim me, swim me. Swim me, swim me, swim me. Swim me, swim me, swim me. That's still bottom. Yeah, that's bottom. I'm on bottom. I'm on my toes. Good. Oh, it's cold now. Oh. You gonna get a video of me actually paddling it out? I got you going in. Alright. Before I get out. I got a full video of you turned around. We'll get one with me out here. So I can get out. I was swimming in my own muck trail. Oh, that hurt my brain. Throw a big rock, make it muck. Oh. Risk. Remember, hypothermia is for bitches. What? I said, remember, hypothermia is for bitches. It's got to be stronger than the water. Well, sometimes the elements don't agree with that. Get it again. Throw it that direction. Catch it. And then, oh, that's a big rock. That's like a pillow-sized rock. Not quite body pillow, but you know, still large. Huh? I'm numb to it now. I'm numb to it now. myself. I didn't get to do this much this summer. I'm enjoying myself too. Yeah, I know, trying to kill me. Oh. Well, I can't tell which direction you're looking. Oh yeah. Alright, let's get this from a... Come on. Hit it. Hit it. Oh god. Yeah, this isn't target practice, guys. Oh yeah. That'll work. It is cold, YouTube, but now I think I've mostly gotten used to it now. So I'm gonna put my head back in the water. Huh? Oh no, they're screaming at me. My knees and my thighs are fine. It's my titties, my hands, and my toes are not happy with me. This is a very pretty lake though, YouTube. If you have not yet come out to the wilderness, this wilderness, like Sinto today, I highly advise it. This, if anything, if the rest of the lakes are like this, it is very pretty. Back in the water. Floaty, floaty, floaty. Oh, that's not what I want to know. My nuts are sealed. It takes them a while to latch on. And you know, the leech is probably swimming around because I'm in the water. Yeah, it's swimming them all up. Like the ones we left that other lake and we went out there and I went swimming, I see them swimming right after me. This water's crystal clear though. Oh man, as soon as I get the camera in the cloud. Farted? Oh, not a fart cloud. Alright. I heard that. That was just a snake. Oh, that's shallow. Hello. Boop. It's not even that choppy though. No, the rock. They say there is a leech I need to look at. Ow. Now I'm going to come out and there's rocks. Ow. 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 Alright, where is leech? I didn't think so. There's a bunch of caddisfly larvae right here though. I was hoping I could get one of them to move. Although now my goop cloud has got here. Shut up! Oh, I don't want to do that. I tipped it off. Alright, there. YouTube as evidence. Went for a swim in the fall in a frigidly cold lake. It was good though.
Chain lakes?
Chain lakes?
Yeah.
Crater?
Crater Lakes. That was in October, wasn't it?
Yeah. That was a large hike.